Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English Language Skills. Today we're going to enjoy this lesson, A Bicycle in Good Repair by Jerome K. Jerome. What I have for you in this video is a small explanation, MCQs, interesting questions and some activities. Let's start the lesson with an energizer exercise. Do a bit of picture study here. Those of you who haven't read the lesson as yet, try to do this brain gym exercise. Just try to guess what could be happening in this lesson. And now let's get started. Okay, so in this lesson, the narrator's friend proposed one evening that they should go for a long bicycle ride. The narrator agreed and was looking forward to a pleasant bicycle ride. But do you think he had a pleasant bicycle ride? Let's find out. His friend came late and after inspecting the bicycle said that the front wheel wobbles and it needs to be fixed. Before the narrator could resist, his friend had already done the damage. What? He had unscrewed the wheel, all the ball bearings sprang open and got scattered around. He opened the gear case. He tightened the chain so much so that the bicycle just couldn't move. Do you think the bicycle did require any kind of a repair? Absolutely not. So why did the friend decide to rip it apart? Well, we can't say. After trying his mechanical skills, he actually lost his temper and tried bullying the thing. He acted as a lunatic, that when I'm trying to fix it, it's not behaving. But poor cycle, only if that cycle could speak. All right. The narrator, without getting angry, sent his friend home. How sweet of him. I would have really got angry. Poor bike had had enough for the day. No more ripping me apart. And this is how a beautiful day turned into a disastrously memorable day, both for the writer and his friend. So I'm not going to go into detailed explanation. I'm just going to add some joy in learning. Let's move on to our activities section. This is Know Your Bicycle. It's a project-based learning. What you have to do is label your bicycle parts. Do you think class 7 children would require this kind of an activity? Is it kiddish? No. You'll be surprised. Many of you won't even know what is this or that part of the cycle called. So nicely draw your bicycle, test your drawing skills, and do the labeling. Tell me, did you enjoy this activity or not? Next one. MCQs for you. I'll read out, but I won't tell you the answer because it's your test. First one. Which wheel of the bicycle wobbles according to his friend? Front, back, both, none. What did the writer's friend do? Made tea for the narrator, took the cycle with him, took the wheel out of the fork, none of the above. Third, this front wheel wobbles. What does wobble mean? Makes bubble, moves unsteadily from side to side, broken, spins around. Fourth one, what were the balls that rolled out on the path? Tires, wheels, ball bearing, handle. Last one, the narrator could not dissuade the man because he was scared, he was trustworthy, he was hopeful, he did not want to offend his friend. Next exercise. critical thinking questions. Why was the narrator not able to stop his friend from spoiling his cycle? So write a bit of a character sketch of the narrator, read the lesson. You can also support your answer with some examples. Let's say the word limit of this question would be from 60 to 70 words. Number 2. Why do you think the friend acted in that manner? Again, a bit of character sketch and a little bit of your own understanding of the character. Again, the word limit would be 60 to 70 words. Think of a different ending of this lesson. Now here, I've made you all authors. So if you were the author, how would you have liked this story or this lesson to end? And let's say the word limit will be 50 words. Fine. Next segment is experiential learning. If you were the narrator, what would you have done if your friend was meddling with your bicycle? Think about it. Would you have become really angry? Why? Support your answer with reasons. If you wouldn't become angry, again support your answer with reasons. This one's word limit, let's say, would be 60 to 70. All right. Creative learning activity. Just to add joy in learning, you have to make a comic strip on if that bicycle could speak. What a lovely activity. So get some pictures of these kinds, some bicycle pictures and the one that I've pasted here. You can either make a PPT of it, 5 to 6 slides, or you can use a book creator website where you can get the format of making a comic strip. Try that on, or just use a paper and a pen and start drawing. I'm sure you will enjoy this activity. Make some speech bubbles and let them think, let them speak. I hope this video was of some use to you. English is interesting because we are adding that interest in our lessons. So keep learning. I'm Vinita. Thanks for watching.